I've got a situation that recently developed with my TCL flat screen monitor. Notice the separation. This is not right. Over time, I believe, and maybe due to heat coming from the fireplace or the gas logs below, we have run into this issue. I think heat from this gets very hot here, this area. And I think over time, heat may have gone up and caused this area along here was loose, and along the top, you can see the top is loose as well. So we are going to effect a repair. I'm not going to add any adhesive here to the back of this flat screen, nor along here or here. But I'm going to add pressure on the edge of the screen. This is so weird. You can put your finger behind it. I'm going to add pressure along the very edge of this screen, and I'm going to leave the pressure like it's supposed to be for at least a week. And we'll see whether or not that fixes the problem. I'll show you next how I'm going to fix it. So one quick solution is you can get a wooden ruler and find some clamps to clamp your loose screen back against the adhesive. You have to be super careful using any of these when you're tightening down. Ideally, you want to get a clamp like this. Tomorrow we're going to go out and buy some extra large binder clips and maybe find some more wood to cut and go along here and then along the right hand side, as well as the left side to hold it down. We'll get enough wood and enough binder clips to leave that in place for a week, and we will see how it goes. But this is it for now until we tune back in with more of the proper supplies. Well, this is an update from my last video. I went to Home Depot and bought several of these spring type clamps. They needed to be somewhere between 1.25 inches to 1.5 inches adjustable sizing. We got regular old paint sticks here, and around a wooden ruler that you saw earlier, and then paint sticks here. So the pressure is nice and even spread out through the wood, and we are going to leave it like this for 7 days, and then we'll take this off and see whether our simple repair worked. Well, as I reported last week, we had our LCD screen that was coming loose at the top and on both sides, and I did the method of the C-clamps and thin strips of wood whatever type you choose, wherever the LCD screen's coming loose, and we can see that it's just fine. There's no gap here. This is where the worst gap was. It looks good. The other thing we discussed is wondering why the double sticky tape failed from this 2019 purchase. That we thought it was the gas logs putting heat up. Now this area of the mantle right in here does get very warm, but we checked and the closest edge to the heat did not fail, and none of that was hot to the touch. So this is just TCL manufacturer defect in using crappy double-sided tape to hold the LCD screen in up against the illuminator. But the method that I showed you in the earlier part of the video, so far this is a day later, about 24 hours later, and it all still looks quite nice. So that procedure works. And that's it for my tip on what do I do when my LCD screen is pulled away from the frame.